Hello everyone and welcome back to another unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing the Macy's Beauty Box. And if you want to know what I got, then please keep on watching. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. So this is how it comes wrapped up each month. We do get a coupon to use in a future purchase at Macy's, so that's always good. We haven't gotten a product card, and I'm not showing one. Oh, I'm not showing one here either. From Bumble and Bumble, we have the Hairdressers Invisible Oil. This is a heat protective primer for your hair. The full size you can get from Macy's for $34. This is 1 fluid ounce. And the full size is 8 ounces. Okay, so one of my favorites is from Moly. This is the I'm Aloe masking sheet or sheet mask. It says mask sheet. This is a moisturizing mask. So these are really good. The retail value on this is $3, and this is probably the true price for just one on Tony Moly's site. So a full-size item there. The next item we have is from Sun Bum. This is a daily screen moisturizer. It has SPF 30 and it is water resistant for 80 minutes. It has banana, wild roselia, and niacinamide. $1.99 is the retail value, and this looks very close to, oh, it doesn't give me, this is just a sample of it because the bottle looks different, but, so a sunscreen. It is protecting and nourishing. Okay. So from Elizabeth Arden, we have Pravage. This is City Smart Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Hydrating Shield. The retail value for the regular one is $72. So this is just a sample size. I like that it does come in this here instead of a foil pack, so this is nice. And it has DNA enzyme complex, anti-pollution, antioxidants with sunscreen hydrating shield. So that's nice. You just want to apply this evenly to your face and neck as your last step in your skincare routine. So some sunscreen. So 2 sunscreens. Okay. Next we have from Buxom. This is the Plump Shot Collagen Infused Lip Serum. Do y'all use this though? This is just a clear, and it says, "We pumped it to plump." I wonder if it burns. It is clinically shown plumping power. 94% of the people said they saw instant results. So we have 2 more things to go through in there. So I'm going to put some on. But if it's burning real bad, I'm going to take it off. Y'all tell me if it's plumping. Smells good. Okay, so from Buxom. From MAC, we have a MAC makes fragrance. I didn't know that. This is a fragrance blend variation parfum. 0.05 fluid ounces. This is Turquotic. The retail value on the full size is $87. It's supposed to be crisp and energizing. It is a sea-inspired signature MAC scent. Features notes of anemone, lotus, orris, and Coruscant blue cedar. I don't know none of that. Let's just spray it, I guess. I don't know. It seems like it would be a male fragrance, but maybe it's not. So those, I guess, are the notes there. I don't know. We're just going to let that dry down for a second. I do feel a little tingle, not bad. Is it plumping though, y'all? Is it plumping? I don't think it's plumping. And then finally we have a Get Your Glow On mesh bag. So the value of this month's bag is supposed to be $30. It is if you're familiar with the sorority AKAs, this is the bag for them. Their colors, pink and green. Yeah. Super cute. I know some AKAs. So we have our mesh bag. From Bumble and Bumble, the heat protectant. From Sun Bum, a sunscreen. From Elizabeth Arden, in protectant. From Buxom, the plump shot. What do you think? I think they look the same. I might not put enough on. I don't know. From Tony Moly, the sheet mask. And from MAC, I don't know that I would wear this. But what I do with all these little sample things that I get is I throw them in my car, my purse, my work bag, so that if I need something throughout the day, if I forgot to put on something, and usually I don't, but if I do forget something, there's something somewhere for me to reach and grab and put on. I don't know that this is going to make it, y'all. And if I really don't like it, I gift it to my niece, Chiquela's mom. So, yeah. What do you all think of the Macy's Beauty Box this month? You know, the value again is $30. We pay $15. So I think sometimes you get a better bang for your buck on the Ipsy with the Ipsy Glam Bag. But you let me know what you thought about this month's box. And I will see you all on another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.